Have you ever considered what will happen if the atmosphere of the earth is over? And is this possible? It is believed that the atmosphere of the planet Earth is slowly decreasing. If the atmosphere is over, it will have many bad results. But how bad? Will every living being die? Will the atmosphere come back? Let's try to find out in this video that if that ever happened, it would have bad consequences. With the disappearance of our atmosphere, the first thing that will happen is silence. Because sound waves require a medium to travel, you can feel vibration but will not hear anything. Suddenly, the birds and the airplane will fall down. Although we cannot see the atmosphere, it has volume with which airplanes and birds fly. Friends, shortly after the atmosphere is over, the sky will turn dark. Because the sky looks blue due to oxygen and other gases in the atmosphere. After that, all life on the surface of the earth will go to death. Because we cannot stay longer in the living space, and this will happen by the sudden disappearance of the atmosphere. The eardrums will swell, the blood will feel boiling, but man will not die immediately. If you stop your breath, your lungs will swell and you will die immediately. If you remove the breath, death will happen after about 3 minutes. Even if you wear an oxygen mask, you will not be able to breathe. Suppose you have atmospheric pressure suit and oxygen. In that case, you will survive, but there will be a lot of irritation on your open skin as the aerial radiations of earth will burn the body. Along with all these cases, the temperature will rise suddenly. Rivers, lakes, and sea will start to rise because whenever a liquid pressure increases from external pressure, it boils. Without the atmosphere, the water begins to boil even if the temperature is slightly higher. Friends, when life ends on earth for a long time, solar radiation will convert the water into the atmosphere into oxygen, which will produce carbon dioxide after interaction from carbon on the ground. But the atmosphere will still be so thin that it will not be possible to breathe. With the reduction of atmosphere, the surface will cool down. The temperature will be below zero. The ocean vapors will work as a greenhouse gas, which will increase the temperature. Unfortunately, due to increased temperatures, more water from the oceans will move to the atmosphere, which will make the greenhouse effect escape, and this planet instead of Mars will come closer to Venus. Friends, when the termination of the atmosphere is eliminated, human survival must make a dome shelter shaped, safe from radiation on the surface of Earth. There should be a pressure atmosphere within them and potential for plants growing. We need time for these shelters. But here's what we have to do that we have to do on all other planets. But all these things raise a question. Can this happen? The magnetic field of Earth protects our atmosphere. Allah Almighty made this universe from great calculations and has completed our land to protect from the external effects of all kinds. But nothing can be said about what will happen tomorrow. If you like the video, then like and subscribe. We'll meet you in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.